Hi team. Hi team. Welcome again to A Square Languages. Okay. So today we'll work. Today we'll work for the past tense again. Now, for example, if I will say, "Como vous avez passé votre weekend?" Como vous avez passé votre weekend? Vous avez passé. Passé is a verb to past. Tell me, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
I'm using vous avez. Vous avez is you have. See, in past, I'm using the vocab of you have passed. If I ask to you, you have to explain something in past now. Comment vous avez passé votre week-end? Répétez après moi. Comment
Como
vous avez passé votre week-end? How did you spend your weekend? Weekend. C'est clair?
yes, sir.
Yes. It's not a question. You have to explain 10 to 15 phrases. Right? Comment vous avez passé votre weekend? You have to explain. This is your, yes, essay. Like you have to write something like how did you spend your vacation? I will say something in English first. You have to write down in English. Then we can translate this. Today we have a
Okay, sir.
translation. C'est clair? D'accord? Now, for
Yes, sir.
example, I spent my weekend with my friend. Pen down, please. Spent, past. I spent my weekend with my family. Now, for example, clear? I spent my weekend with my family. I can say j'ai passé mon
J'ai
weekend
passé,
avec
yes, sir.
ma. See, with. We already have done the preposition with. So j'ai
Yes, sir.
mon. Don't worry. Don't need to write it down. Hargun section under recording. Okay. J'ai passé mon weekend avec ma famille. Is it clear to you? Yes, I spent famille. So I spent my time with my family. J'ai passé mon weekend avec ma famille. Simple, c'est très simple. C'est clair?
Yes, yes, sir.
C'est clair? Now, répétez après moi. J'ai passé mon weekend avec ma famille. Repeat after me.
J'ai passé mon weekend avec ma famille.
Weekend avec ma famille. I spent my weekend with my family. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Look at last weekend. Pen down, please, in English first. Last weekend, I got up early. Pen down, please. Okay, I will not say I got up early because this is then it can be serve verb. We have to conjugate with H verb. Okay. Last weekend, for example, say last weekend I did, because you know what, I'm not using over here H verb. Some verbs, see, you have done in past, we have our verb conjugation, but some verbs we have to conjugate with H verb. Say simple, I will say last weekend I did lot of things. Pen down, please, in English. Lot of things. Pen down, please, in English. Last weekend I did lot of things, and I purchased a new shirt. I purchased a new shirt. Yes, last weekend I did a lot of things and I purchased a new shirt. For example, I did shopping with my mom. I did shopping, pen down please. I did shopping with my mother. Is it clear to you? Say clear. I will say last weekend. What to say last weekend? Last, we have dernier. C'est clair. Dernier, we have last. Le weekend dernier. Dernier, we have last. The weekend last. Okay? Last. There is a backside. It's dernier. There. If it's derrière, there's a backside. We have dernier. Le weekend dernier, j'ai fait. J'ai fait, see, I did. Tell me yes or no.
I did. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
J'ai fait beaucoup de choses. I did lot of things.
Lot of
Et
things.
j'ai acheté. See, past tense. Acheter
Yes.
is my verb to buy. So j'ai acheté une nouvelle chemise. I purchased a new shirt. C'est clair? For example, par
Par
exemple,
exemple,
yes, I did shopping with my mother. J'ai fait du
j'ai
shopping
fait.
avec ma mère. C'est clair?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
You can write it down, right? You can say, I ate. Either you can say, I had the dinner I had the dinner outside with my mother and I enjoyed, pen down please, and I enjoyed a lot with my family. Pen down please. Say Claire. See, I had the dinner. Dîner is my verb to dinner.
J'ai
Dîner.
mangé.
J'ai mangé, you can say, or either you can say, j'ai dîné. Basically, we have the or is outside. C'est clair. J'ai dîné dehors avec ma mère. It means I had a dinner. J'ai dîné. Dîner, basically, we have e running verb is to take a dinner. Dîner. But passé composé past, I can say j'ai dîné dehors avec ma mère et j'ai beaucoup apprécié. J'ai beaucoup is either I can say is to appreciate, is to enjoy. Or either you can say je me suis, répétez après moi, je me suis amusé. Je me suis amusé. Basically, knowingly I don't want to add je me suis amusé because this some verbs which we have to take the verb of être family verb. So knowingly I can eliminate this. You can simply say et j'ai beaucoup apprécié avec ma famille. C'est clair? Is it clear to you? Because over here we are only doing the pattern of our verb. Say Claire, is it clear to you, my team? Yukta?
Yes.
Say Claire, you can say
Yes.
I spoke with my friends also. I spoke with my friends also. And it was a wonderful day for me. And it was a wonderful day. Pen down, please. It was a wonderful day for me. So I also spoke. I can say j'ai aussi parlé. Répétez après moi. Aussi is also. J'ai aussi parlé avec mes amis. Okay. C'était. Pen down, please. C'était. But I have. What is j'ai parlé? Spoke. Aussi is also. J'ai aussi parlé avec mes amis et c'est clair, c'était. Répétez après moi, E-T-A-I-T, c'était. C'est clair. Over here we have c'était. C'était, we have it was. Pen down please, c'était. C'était une journée merveilleuse pour moi. Répétez après moi, it was, c'était. Répétez après moi. Literally meaning of c'était is it was. C'était une journée merveilleuse pour moi. C'est clair, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
C'est clair? I always remember my last weekend. Répétez après moi, pen down please. I always remember my last weekend. I can say I always remembered. C'est clair, I can say je me souviens toujours. We have se, now please my verb. Se souvenir, I can say. Je me souviens toujours. Je me souviens. I remember. Je me souviens toujours de mon dernier. Toujours is always. One sec, please. One sec, please. Je me souviens toujours de mon dernier week-end, c'est clair. Je me souviens toujours de mon dernier week-end. Je me souviens, remember, we have verb se souvenir, se verb. Souvenir, we have verb. We have done se verb, je me tutor. We have
Yes,
je me
sir.
souviens toujours, always, de mon dernier week-end. C'est clair?
Yes.
C'est clair?
Sir, what the name was abuse?
Sir?
Abuse.
Appuyer? Appuyer.
Appuyer.
Appuyer is to support बच्चे. Appuyer. C'est clair?
What will it be in ills?
Appuyer basically we have support to lean against. सहारा देना किसी का.
Sir, it will be ills, else.
Appui.
Sir, what sir will be converted into?
It is not server बच्चे. It's simple appuyer. Appuyer is not a. Appuyer in else, but appuyer is not a server. Say Claire.
Sir, liver.
Liver. Lave. Sir lave. Il el se lève. Levent. ILSELLES se lève. LEVENT. Say Claire.
Sir, what will be the circle? Sir,
Je me lève, tu te lèves, il, elle se lève, nous nous lavons, vous vous lavez, il, elle se lève.
sir, left. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, left will be.
LEVENT, E we have a graph. As
Sir,
sound.
it will be like.
I will write it down for you. Right. So it is se lever verb. I can say je me lève. Say Claire. Se verb. Say Claire, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair? Tu
Yes,
te
sir.
lèves.
Tu te
Répétez
lèves.
après moi. Tu te lèves. C'est
Il,
clair?
elle
E we
se
have a
lève.
S sound. C'est clair? OK? Il, elle se lève.
Se
C'est clair?
lève.
C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
Nous nous
Sir,
lavons.
what? Sir, learn. With ills, it will be learn.
Nous nous lavons. C'est clair? Why learn? Learn is to something else. Why it's learn? Il, elle se lève. Vous vous lavez. C'est clair?
Sir, when will we nous notre lavons? Can we say
Nous nous lavons. Why nous notre? It's nous nous lavons. Notre is something else. Hamara. Nous lavons. Vous vous lavez. Il, elle se lève. C'est clair?
Il, elle se lève.
Always with serve verb, Harbun. Listen to me. With my serve verb, it is not notre, it is not votre, it is not lur. It is not lur also. It is never in the serve verb. Never. Jamais. Never. Say Claire. Never you have, don't use notre, votre and lur. Only we have simple je, me, tu, te, il, elle, se, nous, vous, il, elle, se. Say Claire. Practice hard with the session. Say Claire. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to share a recording with you guys. Okay. Work hard with the session, Yukta. Is it clear to you, Yukta?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So you need a recording, Yukta, of today's sessions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will share the 2 recordings. Practice hard with the session and speak the language out. Say Claire, Yukta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hargun. Chalo. Then we'll catch you in the next session. Okay. Bye. Take care. Au revoir.